Hello and welcome everyone to another video here on this channel. My name is Daniel, and in this video I will provide you with all my expectations and all my price targets for the Bitcoin, Ethereum, QNT, and also this day the BNB chart. I will provide you with all the details about my trade, which is currently at $600,000 position size, and I will tell you what I'm going to do with my trades, where I'm scaling it up and where I will open my hedge position. So stay tuned and have fun in this video. And we're starting here straight into the Ethereum 15 minutes time frame. And as you probably know, today the CPI data got released. So this brought some volatility in the market. I was observing this move towards the downside for a pretty long time. I doubled down on my short positions up there at $1,717 US. From there, we saw this huge dump towards the downside. And in my last video, I already told you when we were right there that I'm expecting a move here towards the downside in this region. And down there, I of course opened up my long position. I even scaled up my long position a little bit when we broke above this trend line. So right now my entry price is at 86, and my position size is at $600,000 US. I'll show you my position right here. And as you can see, there was huge volatility coming towards us here from this CPI data release. But as you can see, this red candle straight got bought back. Yeah, so we bounced up, and I set my stop losses now below this CPI data dump. So as long as we are holding above, my narrative, my bias stays here bullish. Because we can count this practically as an A, B, C correction as a wave 2 with an overshooting B. This move here towards the upside had the character of a corrective wave, and this was a 5-wave move already, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is currently my count, which I'm going with. This is an A, B, C correction. If we zoom in further, you can see that I expect this to be a wave 1. So this actually right now should be a wave 2, and the target area for this wave 2 I can show you with the Fib retracement levels here from the bottom to the top. And as you can see, the bottom side of this target area would be the 0.786 extension level, which is at 1491. Yeah, so we should stay technically above that, but I of course placed my stop losses quite below this liquidation week, because as long as we are staying above, I think this was only an ABC correction down. Now the next move towards the upside is ongoing, but for that we should hold now this retracement area. It's very important to hold it. If we are breaking below, the wave 2 here is still possible, as long as we are staying above 1482. So that's why I set my stop losses below. I will only lose a few dollars if I get stopped out, because as you know, my entry price is at 1486. So I'm just watching what will happen here, because if we look at the price target right now with the trend-based Fib extensions, if we measure this 1-2 setup here, and let's assume we bottom down here in this target area, or let's say at the bottom line of the target area, the 1.618 extension would bring us all the way up to $1,565 US. So this is what I'm currently looking at. Let's now talk about the opportunity that we are failing here to hold this support. What would happen if we are not managing to hold this support area, if we are breaking below? Most probably, then this would only be a wave 4, and the wave 5 will start afterwards. I will start, then I will enter, of course, a new position when we come down once more. So practically, this would then be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There would be one more low. I would enter down there, but I don't want to sit it out practically. So that's why I set my stop loss here right below this liquidation week. If we are holding it, if we are now moving towards the upside, I'm very happy with that. So that's why I'm still sticking to my long position. If we are dropping below, I expect one more low. So that's why I get just stopped out with a few, like with $4 in a loss. Like according to the Ethereum price, $4, of course, not $4 all in all. And I will try another entry down there. As long as we are holding the 1480 US dollar level, I'm very, very bullish. I can tell you that right now. That's why my long positions are that massive. And as you can see, my count here is still unchanged. We are pushing higher right now. You can see it's like magic. We're holding those support levels pretty accurately, and that's why, in my opinion, we are going to see the next pump here towards the upside. But however, this is no financial advice. This is, as always, my opinion and my solution of this technical Elliott wave analysis. The confirmation point, the technical confirmation point would be if we rise above 1525. This would be here in this case the wave B high of this wave 2, A, B, C. And yeah, that's the best confirmation you can get in Elliott waves. So yeah, this chart for me looking quite bullish. Let's now jump over to the Bitcoin chart, of course, as well. And yeah, there you can see we also finished probably this correction off. We landed perfectly in my target area, which I told you many times before. But the slight difference for Bitcoin, to be honest, is that this wasn't really a nice 5-wave move. So if the Bitcoin low is quite questionable, to be honest. We could come down once more in this target area and from there start to move towards the upside. If we're looking at the smaller time frames here for Bitcoin, we can count it as a leading diagonal. We can say this was a 3-wave move up in a wave 1. This was a 3-wave move down, A, B, C here in this wave 2. So then there should be a 3-wave move up now in a wave 3, a 3-wave move down in a wave 4, and a 3-wave move here in this wave 5. So this would now be my count. I'm still expecting this actually to hold. Same as for Ethereum. And as you can see, if we count it like that this was a wave 1. We also perfectly hit here the 0.618 extension level, retracement level, which is a perfect price target for a wave 2. And this in any case was quite shallow. So yeah, I'm pretty happy that we got this additional low here for this wave 2. Looks pretty good in my opinion here for the structure. And also with the thought in my back mind that this could be a leading diagonal, the 3-wave move here in the wave 1 is not the best confirmation we can get, but it's not really damaging the scenario. As you can see, Ethereum at the same time did a very nice 5-wave move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We did hold support, we hit all the target areas, and now this wave 2 could be complete. We are right now as well holding here this support area, which I gave you at the beginning of the video, so this can now be the beginning of this 3rd wave here towards the upside. And let's now have a look at the Q&T chart as well. And there you can see my view is as well still unchanged, that we will see another lower low here in this target area. The low should be below $94 because this was the wave A low in my opinion. So as I'm telling you here in this channel, since my first analysis about Q&T, this is most likely an A, B, C correction. We should land once more in this target area. We should not break the $80 level to the downside because this is critical support level. Am I trading? Am I shorting this move towards the downside? No. Did I long this move towards the upside? No, because Q&T is highly volatile. I don't want to get shaken out here by the market. I don't want to risk too much. I didn't have a very nice entry possibility yet since I'm looking at this chart, but if we are coming down here in this wave C target area, this will be the point where I will open massive Q&T positions, where I will buy Q&T from a long-term portfolio, because from there I'm expecting it to move towards the upside here in this wave 3 on the bigger time frames. So my view here is still unchanged. And before we start straight into the charts, I want to announce the current giveaway from $1,000, which is made by BITGET. And with the link down below in the video description, you can take part. The winners will be selected by the highest trading volume and also by the highest P&L. With the links here down below in the video description, you can not only sign up with BITGET and get your normal $8,000 bonus. No, actually right now they give you $2,000 on top of that, which you can take as well for your trading bonus. And of course, you can take your trading bonus and compete with that in the trading competition. So I wish you all the best, and we start straight into and we're charts. Straight heading over to the BNB chart, and as you can see, my view there is also still unchanged in my opinion. We saw a 5-wave structure, or a possible 5-wave structure without overlaps and with perfectly hitting the price targets here. And this time I'm counting as a possible wave 1 here towards the upside. So we should hit here this target area in a 3-wave move, which we did. As you can see from the top, we got a 3-wave move down. And from there we expected, or I expected, another wave 1 here in the 5-wave structure, which happened. And now I told you from there, from the top, we need to come down in a 3-wave ABC structure. And the wave A consists of 5 waves. And yeah, as you can see, we did that 5 waves. Yeah, it perfectly played out. Yeah, I kept you updated about it all the time. So this was, in my opinion, a leading diagonal in a wave A. So now there should be a corrective wave B towards the upside and another impulse down here in this target area. From there, we can reverse towards the upside, and BNB, in my opinion, one of the most interesting charts in the crypto space right now because of this possible 2-1-2 setups. Yeah, we have here the first bigger 1-2, and now we are already in the second one too. Yeah, Ethereum didn't finish this one yet. Yeah, if we look at Ethereum is still in this wave 1. Yeah, right now most probably in the wave 5 of the wave 1. I told you I'm waiting since a long time that Ethereum makes here another smaller 5-wave move, and I'm observing this for Ethereum all the time. I told you when we were at the top of the wave 3, we should see a 4, which we are currently at, from there a 5 towards the upside. So Ethereum is practically, if you compare the charts, somewhere here. Should make another move towards the upside, and then this ABC correction, as I showed you in the chart. Yeah? BNB already did it, and is now on the way here of this way to the wave 2 retracement. And if we are reaching here now with the wave B and C, of course, this target area, then I will buy massively. I will open BNB positions as well. If this information was useful for you, if you liked the video, if you enjoyed the content, smash up the like button, leave your comments down below the video, subscribe to the channel, activate the small little bell so you will always get notified when I upload a new video here for you on this channel. And thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for sticking with me here until the very end. And I hope we will see each other in the next video here on this channel. Ciao, ciao.